Hi there. Are you a car lover, a drifter, or a biker? Well then, welcome to Ignition, your revved up auto experience show from Core Media Studios. I'm here to give you updates on Evandy's car wash. Let's check it out. The bodies were just clapping things everywhere, man. They were washing things with things, and the skate guys were doing all their crazy stuff on the court. Don't forget, I'm here to give you more updates like this, juicy ones, of course. I'm Baby Ya, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave all your comments. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.